Welcome back to Rough Diamond Recipes. Today's recipe is cabbage and potato curry. This is a dry curry and don't be put off by its name, it's really tasty. As normal, a full list of ingredients can be found in the description box below. I just realised if I doubled up on the oil and took the butter out, this would be classed as a vegan recipe. So if you're cooking for a vegan, double the oil and leave the butter out. Anyway, heat the butter and oil in the pan until it's nice and hot. Add the mustard, fennel and cumin seeds, dried chilli and cardamom and fry off for 2 or 3 minutes. When this is done, it's time to add the onions. Continue to fry the onions for 5 or 6 minutes until they start to take some colour on. When this is done, it's time to add the fresh chilli and garlic. Stir that in for a minute or two, then it's time to add the curry powder. And again, stir through. Continue to fry this mixture with the curry powder in for 2 minutes and then add the potatoes. Fry the potatoes off until they start just to take a bit of colour, then it's in with the tomato puree. Mix in, add a splash of water until just coming up to the top of the potatoes. Put the lid on and simmer for 10 to 15 minutes. When these 10 minutes are up, remove the lid, allow it to simmer until most of the liquid has been reduced. Oh yes, and add the salt to taste. Then it's time to add the cabbage and thoroughly mix in. This does look like a lot of cabbage, but it does wilt down quite considerably. At this point, the master chef in the family, i.e. my wife, decided to add a bit more salt. When the cabbage is all mixed through, it's time to put the lid on and leave to cook for 10-15 minutes. Removing the lid occasionally and giving it a good stir. When the cabbage is cooked and the potatoes are nice and soft and most of the liquid has been evaporated, time to serve. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. Feel free to subscribe, share and like. Stay safe and we'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.